How do I start affiliate marketing in 2025 as a complete beginner and do it profitably? I've broken down the complete process from step number 0 to step number 5 that will show you exactly how I started my affiliate marketing business and how you can start your affiliate marketing business as well. And if you make it towards the mid of the video, I will even give you a free opportunity that will show you exactly how you can get started working with me together for 100% free. Let's go. I've actually broken down the whole process on how to start affiliate marketing in 2025 as a complete beginner here on a little Figma sheet. And I always like to break it down into 5 steps. So the way I always teach beginners when it comes to affiliate marketing, people who want to start out in affiliate marketing, no matter whether it's faceless, so they don't want to show themselves, or whether they want to build a personal brand, is always kind of with these 5 steps. They are super simple to implement. So these are really the first 5 steps that I would go for if you want to start affiliate marketing. I wouldn't really try anything else because anything else is probably going to confuse you and get you somewhere on a path that you don't want to be, right? The path you want to be on is clear and it will make you money, right? It will get you forward, it will improve, and it will make you money. Step number 1, how do I start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner? If you're a complete beginner right now from wherever you are in the world, step number 1 should always be pick a topic, right? You can only sell a product if you know what kind of product it is, what kind of content you want to create. And the step number 1 that I can really give you when it comes to starting affiliate marketing in 2025 is just pick a topic. And preferably that topic has 3 criteria. You know, it needs to be somewhat interesting for you. It needs to reach people with money. A lot of people completely miss that topic. It needs to obviously reach people with money so they pay for your product. And it preferably, if you can, needs to be in a growing market. I've had products in the past that are not in a growing market. And what happens then is it's difficult to push that product out. The growing market is going to help you literally lift you up in the affiliate marketing business instead of trying to push and growing the product essentially. So these are the 3 criteria that I would give. Step number 1 is just pick a topic that you find somewhat interesting. Reach people that have money with it, and it should be somewhat in a growing market. After that, coming to step number 2 is you need a simple product. And you don't need to create your own affiliate product here. You shouldn't be picking one of the craziest affiliate offers of the internet here because you're just starting out. Honestly, you shouldn't pick any crazy product. The simplest thing that you can do, really, and it's not the most important thing, the product in the beginning is not going to make you most money. Most money you're probably going to make in improving your content. Go to websites like Digistore, Copecard, ClickBank, and just pick a product. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what product you pick. Just pick a decent one with a good commission that looks kind of nice with the landing page, and then just go for it, right? Because the product in the beginning is not the most important thing. You just want to get going creating content because that's what's going to get you to improve over time and actually get you to make sales in the time after that. Once you pick the product, you went onto one of the sites, you have a link. I would do simple market research. So create an Instagram account, create a Facebook account, TikTok account, YouTube account, wherever you want to promote your product, and do simple market research. So what does that mean? Go to Instagram & Co. and search keywords in your niche and write down what these people do in content. So let's say you're in the fitness niche and you have a product about fitness, which is one of the probably most common products that you're going to see in affiliate marketing is like fitness whatsoever. The most common thing that you should do as an affiliate marketer in the beginning is, if you have 0 knowledge, is take a product, as said before, you know, pick a topic, let's say fitness, get a simple product, and then go on Instagram, on any social media platform you want to create content on, and search these keywords like fitness, affiliate marketing, stuff like that in your search bar. And then take a look at what other people are posting and simply write down what they are doing. This is going to get you a great idea about how it's going and how the market looks like, so you can also start creating content in the future. And then step number 4, honestly, and this is probably the biggest step for most people, just start posting. Like, this is really what I can give you right now, is stop hesitating, just start posting. And the thing that I always tell like our affiliates in the company is, don't reinvent the wheel. The wheel already exists. Don't reinvent the wheel. Make a Formula 1 tire out of it. So instead of trying to find your own piece of content, just start creating the content that already works. You've done market research in step number 3. You know what other people are posting. Simply repost it, because the wheel already exists, and then improve it. Your first piece of content is not going to be perfect. Even your 5th piece of content is not going to be perfect. Even your 30th, even my pieces of content aren't perfect. For example, I'm just starting out here giving value on YouTube long form. Like, I don't know fully how the game on YouTube long form works, but I'm doing it, you know? I'm just sitting here in Bali currently, just at the pool and just doing it, you know? That's what it is. That's the most important part, just getting started. And then step number 5, when you start creating your content on Instagram specifically, you can start automating your sales doing ManyChat. And the way it works is you can actually fully automate your whole DM selling process using a simple software called ManyChat. If you want, I can also make a full video here on my channel explaining exactly how ManyChat works, what sequences we use in the company, what sequences we use in affiliate marketing, and exactly how they work. And this is essentially the 5-step framework that I give all beginners when it comes to affiliate marketing. Honestly, just to wrap it up, just pick a topic, select a simple product, do market research, and then just get started posting. Most important thing. And this is exactly what we do in Affiliate Pro essentially as well. Affiliate Pro is my free affiliate marketing platform that you can start for free, and then it's €7 or $7 a month, excuse me. And essentially that's exactly, these 5 steps is exactly what we give you already in the start. So you don't even have to go through the first 5 steps yourself. You can just literally join, you get the first 5 steps yourself. We'll pick a product for you, we'll do the market research for you, we'll give you the whole courses, pick a topic for you, and all you have to do is essentially implement that. And on top of that, we have team calls, courses, and communities. So if you're interested in checking out Affiliate Pro, you can do that in the bio here as well, in the description. But the main part that I wanted to talk about in this video is going to be the 5-step framework that I give every single person that starts off with affiliate marketing. Is that, unless you're obviously an Affiliate Pro member, then I would give you that 5-step framework just like that in your hand. If you want more value when it comes to affiliate marketing, when it comes to online business, when it comes to landing pages, funnels, I would really recommend you to follow this channel. I'm going to do more of these videos here. I'm probably going to do some of these videos here in front of the pool. It's going to look pretty nice and I can give you some value. So if you give me a follow, I can give you value in exchange. I think this is a great thing. The more followers I get, the more motivation I have, the more people I can reach, the better I can promote as well, and the more value I can give you as a consumer. And I promise that this YouTube channel is going to be all about giving value and of course establishing the Affiliate Pro brand that I'm building, where we already have over 11,000 members actually already in Affiliate Pro, which is absolutely amazing. So give me a little exchange. I'll give you value here about affiliate marketing if you're just starting out. If you're an affiliate marketer already and you don't know where to head to, give me a follow and I'll give you all the value back. Have a wonderful day. This is my 5-step framework right here.